Hi, my name is Nicole Robinson, and this is my screencast about my website Panama's relation with the US. So here we are in my homepage with a little information about what to expect in the website. At the bottom we have my tech blog with 3 different posts. And we also have my contact and my last revised. Then here is a little information about myself. Then there's 10 different resources. Here are my personal choices that I found useful. Then in my technology projects, we have 2 different slideshows. One is about Panama and the other one is about the LSU Quad. Here is my digital story, which is a brief information about the American era in Panama. Then in the PLN, PLE, we have a chart with links. Then here's my website evaluation. We also have my mobile app presentation about Class Dojo. Then we have here my Apple T-shirt certification. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.